sitting on the highway in a broken van, thinking of you again.
In a high haze, looking at my eyes glazed for night rain, nice Jane in the highway. With hindsight will come and hit you from the blind side, deep in the heart, the inner parts where you find pride. Had me thinking about the shit we shoulda did, instead of sitting sideways like some lunatics. We done took a beating that done put us on our knees, and I don't even hear the click click when I turn the keys. Neglected all the checklist, proper maintenance, spark plugs, wires, the bleeding brakes and shit. Stupid. We was too busy screaming, radiator hot then the motherfucker steaming. Transmission locked up like communication in the radio. Then took the music out of conversation, got me sitting looking silly on the side of the road. I'd rather keep it moving, hit you right in the cold.
Faulty as my transmission when full off that fluid, her ass will keep shifting. One touch is a clutch, I have to keep sticking. Then my feelings die out, the spark is just missing. This bitch won't put it in park and just listen. I keep reminiscing about how she first started, before it all turned to scrap. I'm broken hearted now when the rubber's gone, I slide to new targets. What fueled our desire, put a hole in the sky. She was bound to the ground and I wanted to fly. Drove me crazy how she fronted like she wanted to die, needing a jump in her life, so she break down and cry. But I still look for girls with pipes just like her, junk in the trunk and headlights just like her. Now when I walk to the bus stop in the rain, I pause and catch myself thinking of her again, man.